Today I am reviewing the PCSP High-End Precision 7920 Tower Workstation. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The PCSP High-End Precision 7920 Tower Workstation is not a typical desktop computer. This is a full-scale professional workstation designed for extreme performance workloads, heavy multitasking, and mission-critical computing. From engineering simulations to 3D rendering, AI modeling, and virtualization, this machine is built to handle tasks that would overwhelm a standard PC. At the heart of this system are two Intel Xeon Platinum 8160 processors. Together, they deliver a massive total of 48 cores and 96 threads. This level of processing power is typically found in enterprise-grade servers and high-end production workstations. Each CPU is capable of boosting up to 3.7 GHz, allowing the system to handle both heavily threaded workloads and single-core performance tasks efficiently. What this means in real-world usage is simple. This workstation is designed to never slow down under pressure. Whether you're rendering complex 3D scenes, compiling large code bases, running simulations, or managing virtual machines, the dual Xeon setup ensures smooth and stable performance even under extreme loads. One of the standout features of this system is its massive memory capacity. This configuration comes with 384 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is far beyond what most users will ever need. However, for professionals in fields like scientific computing, data analysis, architecture, or visual effects, this level of memory opens up possibilities for handling extremely large datasets and complex workflows without bottlenecks. The system also supports configurations up to 1.5 terabytes of RAM, making it highly scalable for future demands. Storage performance is another strong point. The workstation includes a 1 terabyte NVMe solid-state drive paired with a 4 terabytes hard disk drive. The NVMe SSD ensures extremely fast boot times and rapid access to applications and active projects. Meanwhile, the 4 terabytes HDD provides large-scale storage for archives, raw project files, and long-term data storage. This dual storage setup strikes a balance between speed and capacity, which is essential for professional environments. Graphics performance is handled by the NVIDIA Quadro P2000 with 5 GB of GDDR5 memory. While this is not a gaming-focused GPU, it is specifically designed for professional workloads. It supports up to 4 displays via DisplayPort, making it ideal for multi-monitor productivity setups. The Quadro series is also optimized and certified for professional software used in engineering, architecture, CAD design, and content creation. This ensures stability, compatibility, and reliability in demanding production environments. The design of the workstation reflects its professional purpose. It is housed in a full tower chassis that prioritizes airflow, cooling, and expandability. With dual high-end Xeon processors and high memory capacity, efficient cooling is essential, and this system is built to maintain stable temperatures even under heavy workloads. The inclusion of a 1,400-watt 80-plus gold certified power supply ensures that the system has clean, efficient, and reliable power delivery at all times. Connectivity is also well thought out. The system includes USB 3.1 ports, USB-C support, dual LAN ports for high-speed networking or redundancy, and universal audio connections. This makes it suitable for both studio environments and enterprise-level IT setups, where reliability and flexibility are critical. Another important aspect is that this is a renewed system. That means it has been professionally tested and restored to ensure it meets performance standards. While it is not brand new, it offers extremely high-end specifications at a significantly more accessible price point compared to new enterprise workstations. This makes it a very attractive option for professionals or businesses looking to maximize performance per dollar. Now, it is important to understand the purpose of a machine like this. The PCSP Precision 7920 is not designed for gaming or casual use. Instead, it is built for serious workloads such as 3D rendering, animation, scientific computing, software development, virtualization, and enterprise data processing. If your work involves heavy computational tasks, this system is built specifically for that environment. In real-world performance, This workstation excels at multitasking and sustained workloads. You can run multiple professional applications simultaneously without experiencing slowdowns. Large rendering tasks that would take hours on a consumer PC are handled far more efficiently. Virtual machines can run in parallel without straining system resources. This level of capability makes it a true productivity powerhouse. Of course, there are a few considerations. This is a large, powerful system, meaning it consumes more power and takes up more physical space than standard desktops. It is also louder under heavy load due to its high-performance cooling system. Additionally, while the Quadro P2000 is excellent for professional applications, it is not intended for modern high-end gaming performance. However, these trade-offs are expected and acceptable given the category this workstation belongs to. It is built for stability, reliability, and raw computing power rather than gaming aesthetics or compact design. To summarize, the PCSP High-End Precision 7920 Tower Workstation is a serious professional-grade machine designed for users who need extreme performance. With dual Xeon Platinum processors, massive memory capacity, fast NVMe storage, professional Quadro graphics, and enterprise-level build quality, it delivers workstation-class performance that can handle the most demanding workloads with ease. If you're a professional in engineering, 3D design, simulation, or data-heavy computing, this system is not just powerful. It is a long-term productivity investment built to handle complex tasks without compromise.